Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to solve Facebook app crashing on Android. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to simply go to your Google Play Store and then look for Facebook and make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. Search for Facebook right here, and if you see this update button, all you have to do is to click this one, wait for a couple of seconds. The reason why your Facebook application is crashing it's because it needs an updated version, okay, or the feature should be up to date. After that, you can now open, and in case that you still encounter or face errors, the second thing to do here is long press, click app info, and then this time you have to look for storage usage and then tap clear cache. Once done, you can now go back and see if this method worked. Go back again to App Info, scroll down and look for permission. Tap permissions and you have to make sure that all features here are under allowed. Now go back and open Facebook. If the application is still crashing, what you're going to do next is you have to uninstall your Facebook application. Long press, click on install. Go back to Google Play Store, App Store, look for Facebook, and you need to reinstall this one again. So I hope by following any of this method right here, it will solve Facebook app crashing on Android. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.